more than 10,000 unusual options on AMC today, September 28. In this video, we will analyze what this could mean for AMC stock. So let's take a look at the options time and sales tape. We see that here and here and here, these 8.5 strike calls throughout this morning. You can see the time that they were done at, and we believe most of these 8.5 strike calls, you can see that here, are being bought. And what could that mean? Well, for the 8.5 strike calls, if they were to buy these call options, and we analyze this trade, you can see that these call options have a delta of 40 positive, which is a bullish long trade here. And notice that the break even at expiration here, this is the break even, that is $9. So AMC stock has to be above $9 for these call options at expiration to be profitable. The numbers showing up as the mouse moves is the total profits. And the blue line is the expiration line. The purple line, however, is the date reflected over here, which is today. So AMC could be profitable immediately, even tomorrow, if these the stock starts to rise. You could see it going up immediately. So it does not have to wait until the expiration. As long as AMC rises rapidly, you could see that the purple line is above zero whenever it is above this price level. Price of AMC stock is on the x-axis here. Okay, so as long as it starts to rise, currently 7.59, if it starts to rise above that, these call options will start to become profitable. However, this break even will start to move towards that expiration break even here, and these call options will start to decay in value and drop below that zero. You'll see that there is a negative. This blue line will start to become a loss here, right? So as we move in time, notice that that break even starts to move as explained, right? So this is the reason why there is a risk to these call options, because of the theta decay, right? So this theta decay here for these call options is a negative 1.56. So as time goes on, these call options will decay in value. So the way we trade this is not the same as these call options. You'll notice here that we have a position, but this is a sell. We're actually taking advantage of the price of these options being bought up higher and selling these 8.5 strike calls. And then we are going to the November 3rd, which is a week away, and we are buying the 8 strike calls. And by doing that, we create a different strategy. And this is what it looks like. This is known as the diagonal trade. And you'll see that it is cheaper. The trade here is $27 per trade in comparison to just buying the call options at $59. And what we like about this trade is that when you take a look at the theta, we don't have a negative theta decay risk anymore. This is in fact a positive theta, so it gains slightly in value as time goes on. And at the same time, we have that positive delta, so that if AMC rises, we can also be profitable, right? And so this is why we like to trade in a different strategy than the unusual options activity. And that is how we beat the market. We use the data, and then we develop our own strategies. And if you are interested in our strategies and how we trade, consider joining our membership, where we share exclusive videos on trades that exceed $1 million in value, where these wealthy traders that have millions of dollars are putting on trades that are a lot more predictive in stock price movements. Because as you can see here, these 8.5 strike calls, if we estimate that value, you can see that, let's say $59, we multiply that by the 10,000 contracts, 10,378 contracts right here, you can see that the value of this trade is just $612,000. So it does not even exceed $1 million yet. And so we don't put a lot of our position sizing and a lot of the capital into trades like these. We use these to gather more data on how the market is trading with unusual options activity. And that helps our systems become more sophisticated in detecting and analyzing and making more accurate predictions on stock price movements. So if you are interested in our trading strategies and also other stocks as well that have unusual options activity, consider joining our unusual options activity membership by clicking the join button on our membership, and comment below. What do you think will happen to AMC? Will it start to rise rapidly, so those call options will be very profitable? Comment below. What do you think? And as usual, smash that like button, subscribe if you haven't, hit the bell icon if you want to be notified of unusual options activity worth less than $1 million, and take care, everybody.